Hello students, welcome back to the online class of Semstar Global School. Myself Pratima Singh, and today we are going to continue the chapter The Earliest Societies. In previous video we have studied about the meaning of prehistory, the life of the people in prehistoric period, that how people used to live, what were their food habits, their clothes, their home, etc., and stone tools, in which we studied about the three categories of prehistoric stone tools. Today we will be covering the topic phases of Stone Age, which is divided into three parts. The first one is Paleolithic Age, which you can also say as Old Stone Age. Then Mesolithic Age, also termed as Middle Stone Age. And the third one is Neolithic Age, which is also said as New Stone Age. In all these three words, there is one word in common, that is lithic, which means stone. Now, Palea means old, Meso means middle, and Neo means new. So this is how the three words have been derived to describe the phases of Stone Age. Now let us talk about the Paleolithic Age. This age began around 2 million years ago and ended about 12,000 years ago. Early humans of this age used to hunt wild animals and gather fruits and berries to eat and sustain themselves. The people of this age used to live near rivers and lakes. The main stone tools that were used in Old Stone Age were clubs, scrapers, choppers, hand axes, bows, and arrows. Now, the Paleolithic Age has been divided into three periods: Lower or Early Paleolithic Age, Middle Paleolithic Age, and the third one is Upper or Late Paleolithic Age. So, first let's talk about Lower or Early Paleolithic Age. In early Paleolithic Age, the climatic condition was extremely cold, and it was also known as Ice Age because most part of the earth was covered by snow. The tools of this period were fairly large core tools made of hard rocks. The tools used in this period are cobbled flakes, and some other tools were choppers, hand axes, and cleavers. The oldest artifacts were found near the Shivalik range and the Son Valley in Punjab, which is now situated in Pakistan. Now, the next age of Paleolithic Age is Middle Paleolithic Age. In this age, tools that were used were scrapers and borers. In this period, humans started to live in groups or tribes, and they also formed cultural ideas like cave paintings and rock art. They also started the practice of burying the dead with simple religious ceremonies. Now, the next age of Paleolithic Age is Upper Paleolithic Age, and it is the last phase of the Ice Age. In this age, the climate started to become warmer. The tools of this age were blades and burins used for carving bones. The sites of this era that have been found are Vindhyas, Chota Nagpur region in Jharkhand, Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. Now let us know about how the fire was discovered in early age. The discovery of the fire is said to be the most important feature of Old Stone Age. The humans of that time has already seen the fire, but they didn't know how to create fire. It is said that might they have learned to light a fire with friction, or you can also say by rubbing two stones against each other to produce a spark. Fire was very important. It kept them warm, gave them light, and frightened wild animals away from their caves. The evidence of earliest fire has been found at Lower Paleolithic site of Gesher Benoth Yaakov in Israel. Now let's move towards the next topic, that is Mesolithic age. The Mesolithic age began 12,000 years ago, and the people of this age were still used to live as hunters and gatherers. The climatic condition was now warm and dry. The huge stone tools were got replaced by small and sharp stone tools known as microliths. Here in this slide, which is from a book only, where it is written that what are the places where Mesolithic age settlements can be found. And it is like Ganga Valley in Allahabad and Pratapgarh, Birbanpur near the river Damodar in West Bengal, and more examples are there which you can read from the book. Now let's move towards the next topic, that is Neolithic age. So the Neolithic age started around 10,000 years ago and continued till 4,000 years ago. But in some places it continued till 1000 BC. In this age, the humans were totally changed. They started growing crops and domesticate animals, which means keeping animals as pet to produce food and who are not wild in nature. All these changes are said to be Neolithic revolution, and this Neolithic revolution you will come to know more in the next chapter. So students, this was it for today's video, and now in the next video we will continue the same chapter. Thank you.